Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Karen LaRocca, and I am the owner of Charming Voyages Travel. And in today's video, we are at the absolutely gorgeous JW Marriott Camelback Inn in Paradise Valley, Arizona. You absolutely cannot beat the location of this resort. It's on the base of Mummy Mountain and has absolutely gorgeous views of Camelback. It's a really special resort, and it's not set up like a typical hotel building because all of the rooms are little villas that are kind of spread out throughout the area, and it's just absolutely beautiful. There's flower beds kind of everywhere. You'd pull up to this little reception area, run in and get your key to your villa. Be sure to check out the sweetest little chapel you'll ever see when you're over here. It was originally built with the resort back in the 1930s, so definitely check that out while you're there. Really throughout the whole resort, there's tons of these little fire pit areas to hang out at too. The main lobby area I thought was really cool because they kept so much of the architectural detail from when the resort was built, but there's these awesome like plush seating areas with like gorgeous leather furniture and like a really classy Western theme, gorgeous beehive fireplace, just a really nice area to kind of sit and hang out. We were only in this area to check in. We never really went back this way. We did go to Rita's Cantina, which is also in this building, but we hung out outside. More on that later. Let's check out our room. We are in a king villa room. This room is super spacious. It is an octagon shape, so it just gives you so much extra room. We had, of course, the king size bed, a dresser with a TV, the couch, table with 2 chairs. If you look up, man, these ceilings, they were so awesome with the wood beams. I just love the dimension that it adds to the room. But my second favorite thing is the absolutely gorgeous picture window. I think we got one of the best views on property because we looked right out onto Camelback Mountain and it was fabulous. All right, moving over to the bathrooms, you can see this is a split bath. On one side, we have the toilet, shower, and a sink with a vanity for getting ready. But then split on the other side is another little vanity area. And then there's also a closet with a Keurig in it. Each villa also had this little outside area with a table and 2 chairs and umbrella. So that was an awesome place to just kind of sit and enjoy the beauty all around. Alrighty, join us for a little walk. We are gonna head down to Rita's Cantina and spend a little time there for their happy hour special. This little area here, actually it's not a very little area, it's quite large. This is their event lawn, so you can use this for weddings or parties or any kind of corporate functions that you have here on property, but it's a really great area. And then just past that is where Rita's Cantina is. The patio is just so incredibly beautiful. We just loved the view there and hearing all the gurgling fountains, and then they had some live music as well. The margaritas were fantastic. Also got a little wedge salad and a delicious chorizo queso dip. It was really delicious, and the chips were awesome too, but the highlight was definitely a visit from this little cardinal that lives here at the Camelback Inn. Thought that was so awesome. This event lawn area is even more beautiful right now at dusk with kind of the lights on and the sun setting in the background. Would be a great place for a wedding. And even though we didn't get a chance to really take advantage of the pool and enjoy the pool area, I still wanted to show it to you because it is definitely beautiful. They have 3 separate pools, more of like a quiet pool, and then they also have a lap pool and then an adult only pool, and there's a spa as well. They have a little restaurant which has a limited menu of food and drinks. There are cabanas that you can rent as well. They have towel stations for you too, so that is all taken care of. And honestly, if you have nothing to do in the evening, this is just a beautiful place to come and experience one of Arizona's incredible sunsets. So that's what we did, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video of the Camelback Inn. We definitely had a great stay. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing to our channel and ringing that notification bell, we appreciate it so much. And as always, we are wishing you happy and safe travels wherever your voyages may take you. Bye-bye.